Oh, hello, Maple class. It's time for our phonics class. But Mr. Andre doesn't know what letter we're learning today. Do you know? What's that? What letter are we learning today? The letter I? Are you sure? Let me check my keys. My keys always have the letter of the day. Is it the purple one? No. Is it the yellow one? No. Is this the letter of the day, the letter I? Yes? That must be why I have this letter I on my pants. Let's see the picture on the other side so we know if it's the short I, or the long I, I. What is it? Yes, that's right, it's an igloo. That means we're learning the short I sound today. I. What is this little bear doing? We have two words that we have to read so we can find out what the little bear is doing. Three-letter words, remember, each letter sound we read going this way. The first word is w, I, g. 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 Wig. Wig. Is that a wig? No, I don't think so. How about the next word? D, I, g. D, I, g. D, I, g. D, I, g. Dig. Is the bear trying to dig a hole? Yes, dig. He wants to dig a hole. D, I, g. Bingo. Good job. Let's go see some more words. Be careful. Be careful. What's that? Be careful. We have two words here, and we need to find out what this picture is. The first word is b-i-n. 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 Bin. Bin. Hey, Maple class. Is that a bin? No, no, no. Let's look at the next word. P-I-n. 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 Pin. Pin. Yes, that's right. It's a pin. You need to be careful if you're holding a pin. It's very sharp. Be careful. Hey, that's the old weekly message. P-I-n. Pin. All right. It's time for our next word. Oh, what's that? It looks like a nacho chip. I love nacho chips. But what is the nacho chip doing? The first word is dip. 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 Oh, yes, I love some cheese dip on my nachos. Dip. Dip. Yummy. It's not sip. Sip. No, no, no. It's dip. Dip. I'm gonna go buy some cheese dip. Sitting nicely, sitting nicely, sitting nicely. Are you ready? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What's happening here? What is this friend doing? I don't know, but let's read the words. The first word is p-it. P-it. P sound, short I sound, and T sound. P-it. P-it. Pit. Pit. I don't think that's a pit. Our next word is S. S for snake, I for igloo, and T for 10. Sit. 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 Sit nicely. Who's sitting nicely? I'm sitting nicely. Sit. Is this friend sitting nicely? No. This friend needs to learn how to sit nicely. Okay. Here's our next word. Oh, what's happening in this bowl? It looks like there's a big spoon and it's going around and around in circles. What could it be? Let's look at our first word. M, I, x, 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 m, x, m, x, m, x, mix, mix. Oh, that's right. If I want to make some cake, I need to mix the cake batter. Mix, mix, mix. It's not f-ix, fix. It's m-ix, mix, 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 mix. Oh, look at this little bear. What is the little bear doing? Let's look at our two words. Number one, we have l-i-d. L-i-d. Lid? Is that a lid? Is that a lid? No, no, no. What could it be? Let's look at the next word. I-d. 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 Hid. Hid. Ah, the little bear. Ah, I know what he's doing. He hid away. Maybe Papa Bear and Mama Bear are coming. And the little bear wanted to hide. So he hid behind the tree. He hid behind the tree. Hid. Hid. Oh, those are my keys. Yeah, but I wanted to have them. Well, those are mine, you know that. Oh, hello. Hello! Minji's here to help us read our short I words. And she took my keys. Yeah, because I like them, teacher. Yeah, I know. Minji. All right, Minji, can you read some of the words? We learned these today, okay? Let's read our words. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Number one, Minji. This one's very easy. Okay, then read it, please. It's big. Big. Big? Hey, is that a D or a B? Remember, the teacher showed you. This is B, this is D. Do you remember? Oh yeah, this is B, this is D. Try it again, please. D-I-G, dig. Good job, Minji. Let's try number 2, okay? Yeah, okay. Number 2 is P-I-N, pin. Very good, Minji. You could have done that too, Maple class. All right, number 3, Minji. Number 3, I know this one. B-I-P, bip. Minji, that's a letter D, not a B. Sorry, teacher. One more time. D-I-P, dip. Good job, Minji. Dip, like nacho dip. How about the next one? Oh, I know this one. You know this one? Okay. Sit, sit. Very good, Minji. Excellent. Number 5, Minji. M for Minji. Yes, yes. M-X, mix. Excellent. Very good. And our last one, Minji. Hib. 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 Hey, Minji. That's the letter D. Remember. Oh, yeah, sorry. Try it again. Hid. Hid. Can you say it for Minji, please, Maple class? Excellent. Hid. Hid. Now I said it too, teacher. Yes, I know, Minji. But you need to remember what is B and what is D. Okay? All right. Let's go.